In Section 12-2, we are going to calculate the federal income tax withholding, the Social Security tax withholding, and the Medicare tax withholding. So in order to calculate those three items that will be withheld from employers' paychecks, we need to understand where they come from. The federal income tax will come from the table, and you can find this in our ebook. Social Security is 6.2% of total earnings, and Medicare is 1.45% of total earnings. So to get our book pulled up and find our tables that we need, you'll go to full book over here, and then we'll go to chapter 12, in the table of contents, chapter 12, and then we need either the single persons or the married persons table. So that is important. That is how you find those. So we'll start out by calculating the federal income tax withheld from our first employee here. So he is married, so we need to find the married table. Let's go into our table, and we want to select married. And then it looks like they have two allowances, and they make $1,360. Let's go into our table here. So we're in the two allowances column, and they make $1,360. So we're going down from the two over to $1,360, and we get $52. So that is our federal income tax withholding, $52. Now to calculate our Social Security tax, you'll take 1,360 times 0.062. So the total Social Security withheld is $84.32. We'll calculate Medicare the same way. So Medicare is 1.45% of total earnings. 1,360 times 0.0145, $19.72. That is how we calculate our first employee. Our next employee is single with one allowance. So we'll go back into our book. We need to pull up our single table. So we have our single table here. And this person is single with one allowance and makes $980. So we're in the one allowance column and $980. So between $980 and $1,000, they are going to withhold $79. The security tax withholding, again, total earnings times 0.062. So 980 times 0.062, it's $60.76. Medicare withholding, 980 times 0.0145, $14.21. And that is how you calculate the federal income tax, Social Security tax, and Medicare withholding.